The keyboard finally came and here's my review for it. Hello everybody, my name is Leopold. Just a quick reminder, I started a daily vlog, so I'm vlogging right now. So make sure you go subscribe in the description or just search up more in parentheses Oliver. More Oliver. Okay, so a while ago I went over to massdrop.com to buy an E-Element RGB mechanical keyboard for $80. What? $80 for an RGB mechanical keyboard sounds a little suspicious. After almost a month of shipping time, I got my keyboard and I learned that there is nothing bad about this keyboard. With 6 different lighting modes that you see right now, sorry the lighting for the lighting modes aren't that good. I didn't want to bring my umbrella and lights all the way up to my room because I'm really lazy, sorry about that. But with 6 different lighting modes and 4 different brightness modes and a wrist stand included, but I didn't attach mine, the E-Element RGB keyboard is amazing, and a lot of people are just going to worry about the sound. So this is what it sounds like. Now, I really like that sound, but it might be a little loud for some people. If it's too loud, then I'm sorry. It is not a Cherry MX switch. It's very similar to a Cherry MX Blue switch, but it's not that kind. It's a different, cheaper alternative, but it still works really well. Right now, you can't buy this keyboard because the Massdrop ended, but make sure you sign up for Massdrop in the description so that you can be notified when it does come back. And Massdrop has some really awesome other products that have very big discounts, but there's a little bit of shipping time associated. After using it for almost 2 days, I have loved every single minute with it. There were a lot of compatibility issues with Windows 8.1. I read some stuff about it, but I could never get it to work. It worked right when I plugged it in the first time and never after that. So I'm now using it with my Mac and using a kind of synergy which shares the keyboard and the mouse with 2 computers. I'm using that kind of software on the computer to make it available and able to use the keyboard and the mouse on both of my computers, which is really a win-win situation. The body is, I'm thinking around an aluminum body or aluminum, and it's really nice and really compact body. It's a little bit heavy, but works really nice on the desk. Let's go to back to the lighting. There are rainbow modes, there's reactive typing modes, and there are many colors. There's even a custom mode which allows you to change the layout and color of every single key. Now, in the near future, you will be seeing this in my desk setup tour, but right now I can't get many good shots of it just because of lighting and whatnot. Just a thing I want to mention, this isn't because of Massdrop or anything, this is because of UPS. They actually gave my keyboard to me a day early and that's never happened to me, so I'm really grateful. Thank you, UPS. You probably made this video possible because I needed a little bit of time to see how it worked and how it went through. Overall, it was the best $80 or $79.99 for those picky people out there. The best $79.99 I have ever spent and probably ever will spend. It's really nice, really, as I said, compact, and it works so well. They took out all the unnecessary features that make keyboards expensive so that it's an inexpensive but very high functioning keyboard. I will make more videos about this keyboard in the future, but right now that was my review. 5 out of 5, maybe 6 out of 5 stars for the E-Element RGB mechanical keyboard. Thank you so much for watching. This was a short video, not with much detail, but thank you so much. Make sure you subscribe to my vlogging channel. Peace. Bye.